Hey guys, welcome back to day 4 of our Chiang Mai Mae Ya Waterfall loop vlog. So the time now is 7:55. We are all now packing our stuff into our bikes.
Hey,
Down at the back. What? So I packed mine already. Just yet to wear my boots and make a move. For Kim and Vincent left already. So yeah, we plan to move around 8 a.m. The plan for today is the end goal is to reach Mae Sariang. We'll be covering Doi Inthanon and along the way 2 waterfalls, get lunch and refuel, and then head to Mae Sariang to rest for 1 night. So yeah, we'll be covering Doi Inthanon mainly and Mae Sariang for today to start off the Mae Ya Waterfall loop. Yeah. This is my boy. Ready to go. Yeah, the person has left. We're now waiting for Osha and Prasan, who have yet to mount their side panniers. So yeah, once we're done packing, then we'll make a move. So we're gonna grab our breakfast, a light breakfast at the nearby PTT. Yeah. So Jim and Vincent are waiting for us over there. So yeah, we'll go and meet up with them. And today Jim will be leading the ride. Yeah, because he's the most experienced, I guess. Yeah. So see you all later.
แค่มีเธอก็พอไม่ต้องการสิ่งของใดแค่มีเธอคอยกอดก็อบอุ่นไปทั้งหัวใจจึงไม่จำเป็นต้อง
Right, this is what start your day with some good protein. Right, so we just reached PTT and this is their must-have at a Thailand convenience store. Everyone's getting it.
It's promotion.
You gotta get your protein, boys. Yeah, get your protein.
2 for 98.
But you must be member, I think.
2 for 80. One is 2 for 99. 2 for 80. 2 for 80. Huh? 2 for 80.
Plain, plain.
Oh, 80. Okay, let's go.
Get chocolate as well.
Okay, what are you eating? Nice, starving.
We got chocolate protein shake and ham and cheese. So that will be our breakfast for today. We all have pumped our petrol.
Ham cheese is my favorite. I love cheese. Yep.
Yeah, it's the OG here.
No taking videos.
How are you feeling?
Morning.
Today's the day, the start.
Okay, all good, all good. I assume all of us have already slept well. It's time for breakfast and it's gonna be an enjoyable ride today. Alright, let's go guys.
What do you say, Prasan?
Whatever you say.
He agreed, my
'Cause
ไม่จำเป็นต้องมีของขวัญไม่จำเป็นต้องมีทองคำแค่มีเธอคอยห่วงใยกันทุกวันทุกคืนยอมให้ฉันชนะตลอดขอบคุณเธอนะที่คอยมาทำอะไรให้ฉันประทับใจอยู่เสมอขอบคุณ
Doi Inthanon. Yeah, that's it. Okay, the time now is 9:50. We just reached Doi Inthanon National Park. That's the ticketing center. So it's about 300 baht per person for a foreigner and extra 20 baht per bike. So one rider has to pay like 320 baht.
It's a scam.
It's not a scam, man. We are tourists. We need to contribute to the economy. Yeah, so after buying the tickets, we will take a picture at like the signboard there, just behind there. And then we'll head into Doi Inthanon. Yeah.
ชอบไปที่เธอภูมิใจเสนอแต่จะให้ดีอยู่เปล่าเทียมกันไหมอธิษฐานให้มีชีวิตร่วมกันจนวันสุดท้ายโปรดอย่าหายไปไหนเลยนะเธอ
It's 11:10. It's 11:10. Just reached Doi Inthanon National Park. We are at the highest point in Thailand. Yeah, it is very cold. Wow, the weather up. It was raining and it was very foggy. I think you guys can see the fog. Was the ride up, Billy?
I think it was fun. It was freezing cold. It's the same as Cameron lah, but a bit harder.
Freezing cold was an understatement.
Yeah. You're
Fucking cold.
Yeah, but it's very fun. Yeah, with the pillion it sucks lah. My rear tire keeps sliding.
Why is Ben doing that? He want to pee.
Bernard, are you cold? How's the ride up? How are you feeling? Good. We are in Doi Inthanon already.
I like the temperature here.
What's the temperature now?
I think it's 13 from
13?
the signboard. Yeah.
Signboard? Shit.
Don't ask me, I'm dead.
Look.
Fucking cold lah, still.
Hey.
You can see.
Can you see right?
Yeah.
Indoors or not?
Let's go. I don't mind. Yep, we're gonna head indoors. It's foggy, it's drizzling. We are near the clouds. I mean, we're at the highest point in Thailand, so it's bound to be near the clouds. Okay, catch y'all later. So yeah. How are you feeling, Ben?
I'm feeling happy. It's quite warm here actually.
What's warm here? It's 13 degrees, mate.
Ice bath.
And then why are you wearing jacket? Take out your jacket.
Oh yeah, that's true.
พอไม่ต้องการสิ่งของใดแค่มีเธอคอยกอดก็อบอุ่นไปถึงหัวใจจึงไม่จำเป็นต้องมีรักจะลบที่ลักชัวรี่ขอแค่เธอที่มีแค่มาซบมานั่งตรงนี้เคียงข้างกัน
Okay.
What is that? Mate, it's coffee. Oh, never tried before. Eh? Oh.
Ben, what do you want to say?
Huh? Late, I want to drink late.
You want to drink what?
Late.
What's late?
Late. See.
It's a cow coffee.
Don't do that in front of her lah. Bastards, yeah.
ก็พอ You're my jewelry เธอคือสิ่งล้ำค่าแม้เพชรนินจินดาก็ไม่อาจจะเท่าเธอ Every memory มีดีไม่ดีจะป้องกันไป But when you are with me I could feel the same.
Right. The time now is 1:18. We just reached Wachirathan Waterfall. Yeah, it's just right in front over there. So yeah, I'm walking up the steps to it. We just left Doi Inthanon, so this is our next stop. After this, we'll be going to Mae Ya Waterfall. Yeah, so that's the second waterfall for today. But first, let's enjoy this view here. And I'll probably catch you all later at probably during lunchtime or something. See y'all. คอยมาทำอะไรให้ฉันประทับใจอยู่เสมอขอบคุณอีกครั้งสำหรับเพลงและช่อดอกไม้ที่เธอภูมิใจเสนอแต่จะให้ดีอยู่โปรดเทียนกันไหมอธิษฐานให้มีชีวิตร่วมกันจนวันสุดท้ายโปรดอย่าหายไปไหนเลยนะเธอแค่มีเธอก็พอไม่ต้องการสิ่งของใดจึงไม่จำเป็นต้องมีราชรถที่ลักชัวรี่ขอแค่เธอที่มีแค่มาซบมานั่งตรงนี้เคียงข้างกันก็พอแค่มีเธอก็พอไม่ต้องการสิ่งของใดแค่มีเธอคอยกอดก็อบอุ่นไปทั้งหัวใจจึงไม่จำเป็นเท่าที่มีแค่มาซบมานั่งตรงนี้เคียงข้างกันก็พอแ It's 3:20. We just reached Mae Ya Waterfall. We had we had lunch at the previous waterfall. So yeah, we were hungry, so we decided to have lunch there. But it was quite meh. But yep.
Now we need to hike up.
Yeah. 600 meters. So Gim says it's a 600 meters walk up.
I say it's a hike.
Hike up to the waterfall. Apparently you can swim there lah, so at least we're hiking up for something. Yeah. So see you all at the waterfall.
Very nice. Very nice. Look at the waterfall.
Nice. Yes, Ben, you were saying a fun fact just now.
The fun fact is that, this route we are walking on, a king has walked on. I don't know which king, but I know there are some kings that walk on it.
This
Yeah.
Mae Sariang loop, you mean?
Yes, this Mae Sariang loop, but particularly this road also. Perhaps, I don't know, a king was walking past, like maybe 500 years ago. Yeah, but anyways, this loop right came about by traders, soldiers, and kings. That's what I read online. Yes.
Interesting.
Yeah. So we are walking on the same route as the kings. We are the kings. Yep. Okay, that's
Thanks
all.
for your fun fact. Yep, that's all.
Right. The time now is 8:23. We have reached Mae Sariang already. We have checked into our apartment or whatever you call it. It's called Chill House. We found it on booking.com. It's about $26 for a double bed. Yeah, for a double bed apartment. So it's a quite small apartment. We showered up and then we are gonna head up for dinner. Yeah, I just want to show you all the toilet here. And you all got to see, this is the shampoo they gave us. This is the soap they gave us. I'm not complaining, but okay, it's just nice for like maybe like for a day of for a day stay lah. So yeah, if you all want to stay here, it's quite a small toilet. If you all want to stay here, you all should bring your own soap if you all are particular about it. But I mean, we are on a road trip, so I'm not complaining. And it's $26. I just want to sleep and then head up and then continue my road trip the next day. So yeah, and it's in Mae Sariang. It's not the most developed place, so yeah, I'm happy with it. Yep. So yeah, I'm gonna head up for dinner. You all want to see the room though before I head up for dinner? Just a bed, place to put our stuff, and yeah, the toilet's like this side. So yeah, Bought it. So head out for dinner, and I think I'll end the vlog for day 4 here. Tomorrow we'll be heading to Mae Hon Son, get our cert there, and then we'll go up to Pai, rest 2 nights at Pai, do our laundry there. Yeah. So see y'all tomorrow. I'll try to vlog for dinner lah, since we are heading out for dinner. Okay, see y'all tomorrow. Ciao.